Today I am bringing you something truly epic, the Dragon Knight inspired colorful dark theme for Windows 11. If you love bold colors, sharp UI elements and modern fantasy vibe, this theme will completely transform your desktop into a powerful battle ready interface. Get ready to unleash a stunning dark mode experience with shaking gradients, glowing effects and a cleaning customized layout. Let's dive into the video and make your Windows 11 look modern. Hello everyone, today I got really exciting theme for Windows 11. This theme is called Dragon Knight theme for Windows 11. Okay, first we have to create a restore point. Just search for create and then select create a restore point, and in here you have to select a C drive, then click on create, give it a name and then click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can restore your system using this restore point. Okay, now we have to ready our system for using any custom theme. First we have to unzip these files and then cut this Sicorex theme folder and go to your C drive and paste it here. Now open this folder and in here you will see a theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK. Okay, then after that you will see a interface like this. Then just check these two boxes and then click on install. So it will require reboot. After reboot, your system is ready for using any custom theme. So and now we are going to install this theme. So unzip these theme files and open this folder and copy these theme files and then go to C drive, Windows, resources and theme directory and then paste it here. Okay, now we have to apply the theme. Just go to C drive and open this Sicorex theme folder again and run this theme tool, and then in here you have to select the theme and then click on apply. So it will apply the theme. Okay, so theme has been applied now. Okay, theme has been applied. Now we have to install this software called Start All Back. Click on install for me, and after that it will show a pop-up like this. Just close it, right click on taskbar and then go to properties and turn off this taskbar and then click on restart now. Okay, then go to this start menu and turn off it as well, and then go to Explorer tab and in here you have to select Windows 7 command bar. Okay, it's done now. Okay, now we have to install the icon pack. First you have to unzip this icon pack folder and open this icon pack folder and then go to this icon installer and open 70sp and for Windows 11 and choose this one and then click on rename and remove this remove text. And then move this folder into desktop. Okay, now we have to use this tool called 70sp. Right click on and extract files and then click on OK and open this folder, and we have to rename it, make it EE to EXE and then click on yes, and then right click on this tool and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes, and then click on add custom pack and select desktop, and in here you have to select this icon pack and then click on start and then click on yes. So it will take some time to complete the installation process. I'll be right back after installation has been complete. If you see an error like this, don't worry, just skip this. I'll be right back after icon pack has been installed. Okay, icon pack has been installed. Just click yes to reboot your computer. Okay, icon pack has been installed. Here you can see this new icon pack. Okay, now if you add some blur effect, you can use this tool called Blur Mica. Just unzip this folder and then cut this folder and go to C drive and paste it here and open this folder and then right click on this register and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. So it will add blur effect. Okay, blur effect added. Now go to this C drive again and go to this release folder and open this config and make it false, and then click on file and then save. Okay, now go to your C drive again and open this release folder and open config folder, and we have to make some changes here. And then click on save. Okay, that's it. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.